2005 Ford F350 Superduty Lariat with the FX4 off-road package, and it's got an 8-foot box, so a long box. With the 6.0 liter Powerstroke turbo diesel engine. With alloy wheels and Michelin tires. It's got turning signals in the mirrors. It's got the step bars. Tinted privacy glass in the rear. It's got a spray-in bed liner. It's got the backup sensors in the rear bumper with the trailer tow package. Paint's all in great condition. It's got the push button keyless entry. With power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, heated mirrors, fully loaded Lariat with gray power leather heated seats, power sunroof, power adjustable pedals, so you can bring the pedals closer or farther away from you depending how long your legs are. It also has a power rear sliding window, so you just push the button and the back window over there slides. Turn dial 4-wheel drive. It's got a nice Pioneer Premier CD player, aftermarket. Air conditioning. It's got all the extra auxiliaries. Built-in trailer gain, so you electric trailer brakes. It's got the wood grain. Interior is really clean. It looks like it's in really good condition. And you can view this Ford F350 Lariat diesel at Kolenberg Motors at 3537 Cowichan Lake Road in Duncan.